In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can sign up for Hostinger affiliates. So you want to go to hostinger.com and scroll down to the end of the page. So here you're going to select affiliate program, then select access affiliate platform. Don't have an account, then select partner sign up. Provide your information and then scroll down and select next. On this page, provide your personal information and a password and then select next. What's your main channel to promote Hostinger? Select what best applies. Here provide a list of URLs that you are planning to use promote Hostinger. Alright, so here I'm just going to paste my YouTube channel name. Well, my YouTube channel link. Which product are you going to promote? How many visitors or views your channel gets per month or your website. So here you're just going to complete all the relevant information and then select next. Read the privacy policy, agree to the terms, and then select that you're not a robot and then sign up. So your application will be under review until an account manager contact you, and that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.